Waiter! Oh, waiter!
Yes, sir. Are you gentlemen ready to order?
Yes, I will have the big and fancy, and my client here will have a bottle of your best steak.
Menu.
A list of food and drinks available in a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please?
The menu?
Menu, yo. Give them a menu.
It's their menu.
The menu is lunatic.
Menu section. That's easy. It's over there.
Menu, monsieur. Menu.
Waiter.
A man who serves food and drinks in a restaurant.
The waiter took our order.
Waiter. Waiter.
Waiter! Oh, waiter!
Where is that waiter?
Why? You like waiters?
Waiter.
Waitress.
A woman who serves food and drinks in a restaurant.
The waitress brought our drinks.
Waitress?
Waitress! Waitress!
Max, the waitress?
Fine, waitress. Waitress, okay? Look.
Mom was a waitress in Los Alamos, and Dad said that thing to you.
What? Waitress! Waitress! What did he order?
Bilf check.
The paper that shows how much you need to pay.
Can we have the bill, please?
Bill. Bill. Coming. Bill.
Bill. Oh, catalog.
Bills.
Reservation?
Booking a table at a restaurant in advance.
We have a reservation for two.
Having reservations about the reservations.
Without the reservations.
Two reservations.
That reservation may have to wait just a little bit longer.
Appetizer.
A small dish before the main meal.
We ordered an appetizer before the main course.
Appetizer?
Anyway, your appetizer.
A slightly too large appetizer platter.
All this was just revenge appetizers.
Main course.
The most important dish in a meal.
I ordered steak as my main course.
You're the main course.
As the main course.
Main course, also 6 pies.
Now let's prepare the main course.
Hey, appetizers, main course, and 2-3 desserts.
Well, just the main course.
Dessert?
Sweet food eaten after the main meal.
We had ice cream for dessert.
No. Dessert is 3 desserts. Huh?
Dessert.
Takeaway to go.
Food that you take away from a restaurant to eat elsewhere.
I ordered a pizza for takeaway.
Eating takeaway, like day and night.
Should we get a takeaway?
Takeaway, don't get into a coffin while high.
Low quality takeaway.
Tip.
Extra money given to a waiter to waitress for good service.
We left a 10% tip for the waiter.
But still, a tip.
There's tips. You ever get tips?
Just the tips. All tips.
And tip.